Gold continued its bull run and again has achieved higher highs for the week at 1988 levels. Now, what to expect today from gold? Is it going to break past 2000 levels, or we can see a pullback from the current levels? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. First, we look into hourly charts and then move towards the daily charts. In the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. If you look at gold, see after the rise, it is just consolidating, and whatever we have seen here after consolidation, first rise, then consolidation, and then if it gives a breakout, I will look forward to this line here, which is at 91.92. This is the first target. If it stays above 1988 levels, the yesterday's highs, we are looking forward to 91.92 as the first target, 95 as the second, and beyond this, sky is the limit. For gold, we can see another good round of rally towards 2008. Also, if you look at the moving averages on the hourly charts are trading with divergence and bullishness. Also, if you note, now 1980 has become the support levels. If you look at, see after the rise retrace toward this, taking the support, it is again continuing to rise here. So 1980 is the level below which possibly we can see a little bearishness, but then also we have to trade with caution. 20 period moving average at 78 and then the support levels at 75. These zone completely becomes a greater support zone for gold. And also if you look at, see higher highs here, higher. And if you look at the gold's movement for on the hourly charts, you will find it is largely trading in this channel. This is a bullish channel. The top again here at 91.92, which you should be cautious. If you look at a stochastic after dropping to the bottom, it has retraced. The MACD is trading at an elevated levels, and it is trying to converge, but it has not yet crossed over. If you look at the level, see, it has come closer to +6 levels, which is certainly elevated levels for gold. See, this was the last time when it is achieved. It has seen a crossover and a fall. Again, it is back to the same. But historically, it is not that it cannot achieve further highs. See, +15, +10 levels. So yes, it has still scope for it to continue with the rise. Let's see if it does. RSI was overbought. It has cooled down a bit. Coming to the 2 hour. Likewise, on the 2 hour chart, see the important part is the support here. Second is the lower highs it is forming. This is forming a good flag formation. A breakout above 1988 is stay long for 91.92. Yes, if you see the movement, certainly the same bullish movement is carrying forward here as well. The support levels on the downside, the bottom of this channel is far below at 1965-60 zone. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought levels. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish. It is still looking upwards and it can continue for a while. See, after the rise, retrace, and it is looking forward to the upside here. RSI is again overbought here. Coming to 3 hour. Similar observation on the 3 hour charts as well. Moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence and bullishness. 65 and 70, the support levels here on the downside. These are going to play an important role if gold resumes its downtrend. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent. MACD is bullish, looking upwards here, and it is still scope for it to continue with the rise. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to the day 4 on the 4 hour chart, see it is reflective of couple of retracement candles. Higher lows here suggest that the bulls are very much there in price. Bears are not able to take the control here. See, it is not able to take the prices below 1980 levels, which has certainly become a critical support for the day. And right now it is consolidating with higher lows, lower highs. Thus once it breaks past on the upside beyond 1988, we can say 91.92 and in fact 95 levels as the next target. Now if you notice here, see this was the preceding rise. This was the rise here. See these 3 highs almost at the same levels. We have seen gold reversing, and this line is coming from the same highs. This suggests that it's still as long as 91-92 levels are respected, possibility of a downtrend, possibility of a reversal will still exist in gold. Also, if you notice the 4 hour chart, there is a crossover here between the 20, 50, 100 period moving average at 1960 levels now, which has become a crucial support for gold for the day. And it is only below 1960, you can say that the bears are taking over. So this complete zone 1970, 65 and 60 are the levels you should watch out for if it resumes its downtrend below 1980. Stochastic is back to overbought levels on the 4 hour charts. The MACD is certainly divergent, bullish, looking upwards, and it is not showing any signs of reversal. RSI is Back to overbought, coming to the daily. And before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, my 27th mentorship batch starts on 20th of November. Only 2 days are left to register yourself, and only couple of seats are also left. After this, the next batch is going to be mostly in the new year only. Thus, begin the new year by practicing what we teach in the mentorship batch. Equip yourself with all the tools and techniques which can help you identify profitable trades. For details, either you can reach out to me via Telegram or email, or you can visit our platform forexfunda.com, where on the front page itself, if you click on this tab, you will find the details related to the batch, and you can pay there itself and book your seat. Or you can also book the seat for your next upcoming webinar, where we are going to discuss the weekly market review this coming Sunday. And yes, this platform has much more, whether be it the breaking news from across the globe, or be it the economic calendar, where you get the live data releases, and the charts, where you can find out your favorite instrument and do the charting here itself. And also, if you want any consultation or guidance from me, you can schedule a call with me. The important part is the availability of the discussion forum, where you can discuss with the traders. Thus, visit the platform forexfunda.com. Now, if you look at the daily charts, first of all, on the daily charts, it is forming still a nice flag here after this big bullish move, and it is willing to give a breakout here. Now, a breakout means it can continue with the bull run. If it stays above 2000 levels, certainly more bullishness may prevail, and breaking past the preceding highs, certainly you can say that the bulls are taking over, and we can expect a rally up to the all-time high levels if it stays past the preceding highs here. But if you look at the daily charts here, see what is it has done. It is staying in this bullish channel so far. Higher highs, higher lows. The lows for today is at 1960-65 zone, which is the bottom of this channel, and it is only below 1960. You should treat this as bearish. And see, the day has just started, and it has started on a bullish note. It is continuing its upward move after a retracement candle, a big bullish move, leaving a wick on the upside. Now I will wait for the preceding highs to be breached at 1988, then certainly more bullish momentum will be seen here. Specifically beyond 91-92, you can say that the bulls will try to take over completely, and we can look forward to 95-96 as the first target. Then beyond this, we are looking forward to 2005-2008 zone. Stochastic overbought MACD. Now see, MACD is here willing to converge crossover for a buying entry. But see, it has not yet crossed over. Remember the fact, it has not yet crossed over. It is still trading bearish. And from what levels drop is seen? This is coming from plus 30 levels. And hence, it still has a downward. It still has a bearishness there. Now, if you notice what has happened here, the drop here after the rise from to plus 30 levels, we have seen a drop here. It has retraced a little, tried to cross over, then again a fall. So, yes, the MACD is trying to cross over, but it has not yet crossed over. And even if it does so, possibly next week we may see slight bearishness in gold, and it may continue on the downside. But right now it is not showing any intent. RSI is rising as well. Thus, looking at this for the day, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 1988. Expect 1991-92 as the first target. 95 as the next, 95-96 as the next, and beyond this, we are looking forward to 2004-2005 as the first target, and beyond 2000-2005, 2004-2005, sky is the limit for gold. Just stay long. On the downside, probable selling entry is only below 1980 levels. Below 1980, see 1980, 1976. Below 1980, we can expect 1976, then 1970, and then below 1970 is where we can say that the retracement has started, and we can look forward to a fall towards 65 and 60 levels. Now 60 to 70 is a completely stronger support zone for the gold. Any drop, if you see in gold below 1960, you have to think it off as a reversal, and we can look forward to a crash, else it is still trading bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Yes, if you can join my signals channel as well on the Telegram, and yes, join the mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for details related to my services and offerings. Do like, share and comment, friends. Your every like, share, comment is a great motivation. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.